today we had meetings in the presence of my official from transport and senior official from Home Department, and both the DC from East Kasihil and DC from Riboy, and along with their SP, and in the presence of all the member of the different tourist taxi association from the state of Meghalaya. And after a third discussion, so we have come to the conclusion this was a very, very fruitful meeting. Yes, the association flagged some important issues for the last few months, few years, which have faced problem as soon as when they entered the state of Assam. So, and we listened their problems, and yes, their problem is also very, very genuine. So, we had come to the conclusion that within 10 of September, I will be calling a meeting at my level with the Commissioner of Transport Assam and Meghalaya, and in the presence of all the members of association from us and along with from Assam. So date is yet to fix. We will try to solve all the problem which our driver face during their trips to Guwahati especially. And their concern is very genuine. I'm very thankful to them. It was a very, very fruitful and very, very genuine issue. So hopefully by meeting both the state, so it should be, the problem should be solved in future.